Hey guys, I wanted to show you this little journal that I'm using to record my van build expenses and the daily record of my build progress. It's on Amazon for like 10 bucks. Here's the title page, and then the first section is for your materials list. Several pages there. I don't think you'll run out of room. Next section is for your tools and supplies. Also several pages there. And then we skip to the daily journal section. You can actually record your van build progress and then afterwards use it as a regular travel journal. And in the back there's some graph paper. You can use that to design your van or your solar layout. And then behind that there's some blank pages you could attach pictures to. Looks good, it's really cute, and this would make a great gift for someone who's a vanner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comments are always welcome, and we'll see you later.